You've been filming, editing, uploading, putting in the real work on YouTube, but your views are still crawling. It's frustrating, right?
Oh my God.
What's the problem? Isn't your content, but the way your channel is set up. In this video, I will show you 3 powerful tweaks that can turn your channel into a view magnet without posting more videos or chasing trends. Tip number 1, optimize your channel banner and about section. Your banner is your first impression. If it doesn't show people what your channel is about, people may bounce. Use Canva to create a clean, mobile-friendly YouTube banner, okay, that includes your niche or value promise, upload schedule if you're uploading consistently, or your face or recognizable logo. These 3 features are very important to appear in your YouTube banner. Okay, simply go to Canva, ensure you selected template. Okay, you select template and go to the search option and paste YouTube channel banner. Okay, once you input that, okay, you hit the search button. Canva is going to give you, okay, lots of templates, okay, that you can customize, okay, to optimize your channel banner. Okay, I have also created something, okay, where you have all the dimensions. You can see the lines where you have all the dimensions, okay, and very solid backgrounds, okay, which I will be sharing the link of this template in the description of this video. You can as well explore my templates to optimize your channel banner. Next, your about section needs keywords. If you have updated your about section on your channel without keywords, then you need this information and you need to do that real quick. So to make your channel searchable by adding keywords, all you need to do is to go to YouTube, just like this one, okay, and you tap on customize channel. Once you tap on that, it's going to take you to this page. Once you get to this page, just look at the left flank of, okay, your channel. You're going to see the channel settings. Whether you're using a mobile or you're using the YouTube on your desktop, the setting is the same. So once you go to settings, okay, the next thing you need to do is to tap on channel. You're going to see, okay, the section where you need to input your keywords. These keywords, okay, help with YouTube search and suggested videos. Okay, if you don't know what to put in your keywords, all you need to do is simply go back to your channel, okay, go to your channel about and copy your content pillars. For example, I copy this part as my content pillar. All I need to do is go to ChatGPT and paste this. Okay, once I paste this, I will tell it that based on my channel content pillars, okay, generate keywords, generate tags, sorry, okay, and you put enter. Okay, you can see that, okay, ChatGPT is going to generate, okay, a list of keywords, okay, for us. You can see all of that keywords, and all you need to do is to copy this, okay, go to your about section and paste the relevant keywords on that section to optimize your search and suggested videos. With this, YouTube understands what your channel is about and who to recommend your content for more views. Tip number 2, turn your channel homepage into a viewer-friendly hub. Think of your channel homepage as a welcome mat. You should invite people into your channel and make them wanting to explore more. So when someone lands on your channel, don't just leave them scrolling through random uploads. Instead, organize your content into playlists and sections that helps your viewers find what they are looking for. You're already providing value and you need your viewers to find it. So to create custom sections using playlists, you can organize your content into these three separate categories. You can organize them by topic. For example, YouTube growth hack. If you're doing content, okay, that teaches people how to grow on YouTube, or you can organize your content based on your audience. If you are into training, for example, you can say beginner creators, okay, or you can say start here for new beginners. The third one is you can group your content by topic, okay, for example, faceless video tutorials, faceless content, or whatever your niche fits into. Organizing your content into this format helps your viewers not just to keep watching, but to keep going through a series of videos and value that you have already worked so hard and created for your viewers. Just like many creators, I didn't realize how much this mattered until I changed mine. And within 7 days, I saw my watch time jump. Okay, so this is one great tip that you can optimize on your channel to see the views jumping. Tip number 3, create an SEO channel trailer. Your channel trailer isn't just about introducing yourself, it's to convert new viewers into subscribers. So you can use Canva video templates to create a short, high energy trailer. Okay, your trailer should include the following information: what your channel is about, who your channel is for, and why they should subscribe. This is very important, like I said, to convert new visitors to your channel into subscribers, and not just subscribers, but those who becomes loyal, okay, and stay put with every content that you put out on YouTube. So here's the bonus tips in addition to all of the recommendations that I have given on this video. Ensure that every content that you're uploading on YouTube is properly optimized, okay, in terms of the title and the descriptions of that particular content. Ensure your titles are SEO recommended, your description is well structured, and again, all your descriptions should also have the keywords relevant to the video you're uploading, as well as hashtags that are relevant to that video. You can also tell the viewers what they should expect next by putting in certain links, okay, or the videos you already done or the videos that we're about to create next, okay. That way viewers can understand what to expect, and that can keep their interest going, okay, to revisit your channel and to continue to view your videos. If this video and this content is valuable to you, do not forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to drop your relevant comments, okay, on this video. And I'll see you on my next upload.